In this video, we'll show you how you can redirect your Namecheap domain to another domain. So let's get started. So first, you want to go to Namecheap and then log into your account. Now, once you're logged into your account, here in the left-hand corner, then head over to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you then need to find your domain. So go to the domains list and then you can choose what domain you want to redirect. I'm going to use this domain here, online-how-to-guide.click. So we can go ahead and click on manage here, and then that's going to take us to the back end of the domain. Now it's very simple. Once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down and then make sure you've got Namecheap basic DNS enabled, and then here where it says redirect domain, here's where the magic happens. So this is how the domain is going to be by default. Now what you want to do is to just remove this record, and we can now add in new records and the destination URL that you want to redirect it to. So to add redirect now, what you need to do is to type out your domain. So if you scroll up here, you can just copy your domain and we can go ahead and paste that in here. Now this domain we want to redirect to a destination URL for the video. I'll just redirect it to Google. So now I've got Google typed in, but we're not yet done. We now need to click on the save changes, and then we need to go ahead and add another redirect, and we can then paste in our domain again. But at the start of this domain, you want to type in www. So now you've got online how-to-guide.click. We can then click on this check marks here. So now we've done that, everything is set up. Our domain should now redirect to Google, and this can take up to 24 hours, but we'll see if it redirects. And that is how you can basically redirect Namecheap domain to website. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.